Come test drive the 2022 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.